Introducing Agency Pro, a theme that is absolutely clean, fast and elegant, and helps you create your site in just few minutes. This theme comes up with 20 different homepage sections that you can use to enhance your website and create that perfect business or corporate website. So these are the homepage sections, and with this theme you also have 3 pre-built demos that you can import with just one click. This theme has 3 different header layouts for you and to make your website that perfect corporate business website. So here are the 3 header layouts, and also 10 plus custom widgets are available with the theme that you can use to make a perfect corporate website. There is a countdown and maintenance page available with this theme, Agency Pro, so you can enable it and keep this page active while your site is under construction. So countdown page is an option in this theme. We even have the facility to reorder homepage sections, so you can reorder the homepage sections any way you want, and $69 worth of premium plugins are attached with Agency Pro. This theme supports RTL, has WooCommerce Compatibility, and of course top-notch documentation. For documentation and support, you can either go to AccessPress Themes' page and have a look, type your message in the live chat, or you can even use their documentation page to know more about this theme. So this is a short introduction of Agency Pro. We hope you liked it, and please check the links below to know more about the theme.